The puppies waiting for their hearing tests. Oh, and we're getting a little loud. It's a little cool in here. Hey, pups.
We're gonna have to come back to Birch.
Okay.
I was too wiggly.
All right.
Play some more. Go play some more.
How about Clover? Is she here?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
All right, let's take one of you two sweeties. Clover, you've already gone, dear.
Everybody wants to go.
All right. We'll get one of the sweeties.
Excuse me, guys. I know I smell good. I know I smell good. How about you?
Alright, it's Aspen's turn.
Aspen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Scooch. Scooch.
Good luck, Aspen.
Oh. All right. All right.
They were all like, where's she going? Where's she going? Bring her back. Where'd she go? Did they take her away?
Aww.
Did they take her away? I'm trying to remember how to use my zoom. I'm just making it shaky. I guess it'd be easier if I just stood up and went closer to them. Hi, babies. Say hello. Hi, guys. Oh, really cool in here. They're cuddling up. But not you, Clover. You just want to talk about it, don't you?